In this lecture, you will learn what falls under negative SEO attack and how to prevent or cure once your website has been attacked with a motive of negative SEO. If someone attacks your site by brute force, if they eventually hack your site and delete some important files, or if they delete robots.txt file or change its content to discourage search engines not to index your site, then it amounts to negative SEO attack by your competitor. But the above attack can be easily prevented or cured. To prevent such attack, you need to do basic security plus firewall configuration for your WordPress installation. Above all, you should not install plugins or themes from unreliable third-party websites, especially those websites which allow you to download premium themes or plugins for free. But if you're attacked earlier or hacked already, then in addition to the above steps, you need to follow some other series of steps to get your website cleaned. First of all, delete all the plugins, themes after noting them down in a separate screenshot or in a notebook. And then install all the plugins and themes back only from WordPress repository. If you're using third-party plugins or themes, upload and verify them in virustotal.com. Once you have installed all the themes that you have had before the hacking attack, install Theme Authenticity Checker plugin and then check all your themes. This is the general line of treatment. If you believe that your website has got some malware or other undesirable files, then you have got no other option than restoring to an earlier day backup before being attacked by a hacker. If you don't have an earlier backup, then you should ask the paid support from your hosting provider. Here, the backup means your total server backup like R1 Soft backups. If you just have your database backup, then it will be too time consuming to restore your website to the status before attack. In the next lecture, you will learn some tools to analyze your backlink profiles.